Well, a good evening from Kithurst Hill, West Sussex, and we're running a bit of portable HF this evening. 40, 20 and 10 metres on the Hyendfed half wave with no radials and a spider beam antenna. Let's see what sort of evening we get. Hello there. Right, some high-tech wizardry here. 2 Echo 0, Tango Whiskey Golf Portable. Okay then, ladies and gentlemen, this is the setup. There's the sort of 49-to-1 transformer from Hyendfed. There's the coax, there's the spider beam strapped to within an inch of its life to that post. And there she goes, nice and vertical up to the top. And there's some cyclists who've just gone past who think I'm mad. There you are. The joys of portable. Anyway, there's the coax hook running towards the car, and that's the story. Anyway, let's see what sort of contacts we can make this evening on what, as you can agree and what you can probably see, is an absolutely stunning mid-September evening. It's still about 18-19 degrees. It's shirt sleeve weather and it's beautiful. So I think we have to make the most of this sort of situation, don't we? On a lovely vista up here in West Sussex, high ground about 150 metres above sea level. Anyway, that's enough of that. Let's see how we can work the station. Okay, here's the setup then, chaps. Yaesu 891. Got a line isolator, just choking off any stray RF which may be coming in, but it's coming in anyway because I haven't got enough coax today, but there we go, it doesn't matter. Okay, and then let's have a look at how I power the station, because I've had a few people ask me how I power my HF station portable. So tonight I have got, let me just show you, excuse the camera work, we've got two 36 amp hour UASA AGM batteries running in parallel, and that should give me probably somewhere in the region of, well, I reckon a good 6 to 7 hours minimum usage. That's more than what I need tonight. I'll show you in a minute how I monitor the voltage. Got a cheap little voltmeter there. I'll put that on in a minute to show you. Yeah, now the other options I have, if I can just reach behind me, is this little bad boy here. It's the tracer battery. I've seen a lot of action this over the last 3 years. It's so light, look at that, no problems at all. 22 amp hour, and that would give me a good 5 or 6 hours, would you believe, as well, with the Yaesu 891 at 50 watts, no problems at all. And that's how I power it. I don't, I'll just go to make sure I put that down properly. I don't power it with the car battery at all. I use that completely separately. I don't get anything involved in the radio whatsoever. So what I do, I monitor the voltage of the battery packs. Let me just show you that in a second. Okay, so yeah, there's the leads going to the, there you are. And what I do, I keep that on all the time, the voltmeter. And effectively, when you charge a battery, batteries up full, you should get around 12.8, maybe 12.9, 12.7 volts. Now, you don't want to run these batteries, or lead acid batteries, below 50% capacity, because that will start to have an adverse effect on their life, really, and their ability to recharge. So anything that gets below 12.1 volts, you need to draw a line, because you're really reaching that 50% capacity target. But I should get a good 4, 5, 6 hours heavy usage on this, and still probably end up with about 12.2 to 12.3 volts. So that's perfectly good enough. So that's why I keep an eye on my voltage. And to run them in parallel, what I've done, if I just see it, if you can just see, very difficult to see actually. I've got, oops, that's come loose. I'll sort it out in a minute. Let me just turn that off. Okay, what I've done, there we go. What I've done, I have basically Anderson power poles on both these batteries, joined together. Look, red to red, black to black. That joins them together. And then I run one positive of one battery, one off the negative, or negative of the other battery, and that then joins my Anderson power pole to the DC lead from the rig. And then I just use the other two available positive and negative terminals, which are still free, to run the voltmeter. So there you go, that's how it's set up, that's how it's used. Most of you know this already, some of you don't, and I hope that's helpful. Anyway, let's get on with some action and see who we can work this evening. Okay, Radio Zulu 6 Charlie, good evening. You're about a 5 and 7. 5 and 7, and the name is Tim, Tango India Mike, over. Okay, Yuri, thank you for the 5 and 9. Thank you for the Tango Whiskey Golf Portable.
Delta Foxtrot 4, India, Alpha Romeo Mobile.
Mobile station, try again.
Yeah, the call sign is Delta Foxtrot number 4, India, Alpha Romeo Mobile, and you're 59 plus here in the southwest of Germany, QSL.
You're also 59 plus. Lovely signal. Thank you for the contact on your mobile station. Compliments, my friend. My name is Tim, Tango India Mike, and the location is the south coast of England, over.
QSL Tim, so nice to meet you here this evening. Very strong signal. You're around 10 over 9, peaking even a little bit higher. And yeah, one of the few good signals I can hear on the band at this moment. The name here is Chris, like Charlie Hotel.
Working Mario, thank you for the call, and great to have you in the radio. Italy Zulu 2, Sierra Delta Kilo from 2 Echo 0, Tango Whiskey Golf Portable. 73, my friend. Ciao, ciao, and have a good evening.
Okay, Tim, thank you very much for the Malay Krishna for together in Uganda, my dear friend. The family. Ciao, Tim. Good luck for me, grazie.
Grazie mille, my friend. Good luck to you and your family for this weekend too. 73.
Bye-bye.
Thank you. QRZ, this is 2 Echo 0, Tango Whiskey Golf Portable.
India, Zulu 2, Juliet, Charlie, Delta.
Italy Zulu 2, Julia Charlie Delta, another big signal. 59 plus. The name is Tim, Tango India Mike, over.
Roger, Tim, your report is 5-9, strong signal in the North Italy. My name is Angelo, Alpha November Golf, Echo Lima Oscar Angelo, Roger.
Thank you, Andy.
Good evening, 2 Echo 0, Tango Whiskey Golf Portable, 59 plus 10, Roger.
Roger, you're also 59 plus. The name is Tim, and the location is the south coast of England, over.
Okay, Roger, no problem, 73, good luck.
Good luck, 73. Well, so far it's been a good evening. I've worked about 30 stations, held 7185 for about an hour, and about an hour and 15 minutes, and I worked about 25 stations. That's not too bad. The good thing about these Hyendfed half waves, of course, is that it's the half wave on the lowest frequency, but of course it's well, it gives you a full wave resonance on the Beck's band down and so on. So if you put a 66-foot Hyendfed half wave together, let me just turn the light off here, I do apologise. If you put a 66-foot Hyendfed half wave together, then basically what you'll find is that you'll have resonance on 40 metres as a half wave, but also 20 as a full wave and so on. So you get 4 bands in there, and these antennas are great. You don't need radials for them, they hook up and they work. You know, they really, really work well. I'm delighted with mine, I have to say. As a portable option, I think they're brilliant. And the one I've got is a compromise on 40, you see, because it's shortened because of the loading coil. It goes on a 12-metre spider beam pole, goes up, strap it against a fence post, goes up vertical. Bosh, there you go. Does a great job. So I recommend them. I think for portable work, they take no time at all to put up and take down. You haven't got to faff around with radials, and they do a fantastic job. And as a portable, get on the air quick, but effectively antenna, they're wonderful. You know, on a half wave, you get the same sort of radiation properties and patterns as a dipole, you know. And you can feed it at the ends. You don't need the hassle of the coax coming down from the top. You can feed it at the end, let the wire do what it can do, as an inverted L, as an inverted V, as a vertical if you've got enough of a support. 2 Echo 0, Tango Whiskey Golf Portable.
Who is the 2 Echo 0? The 2 Echo 0?
Thank you. It's Tango Whiskey Golf Portable.
Okay, 2 Echo 0, Tango Whiskey Golf Portable. Thanks for the call. You are 59 here in Cyprus. Good stuff.
Roger, you're also...
Thanks for the call. Thank you. Radio Alpha, stroke, Echo, Italy, 6, Delta X-ray, QRZ.
2 Echo 0, Tango Whiskey Golf Portable.
2 Echo 0,
Tango Whiskey Golf Portable. Thank you very much for waiting. You're 5 and 7, 5 and 7. Good copy in the clear. Name is Stan, Sierra Tango Alpha November. QSL?
Yeah, QSL Stan. The name is Tim, Tango India Mike. Thank you for the 5 and 7. You're 5.9 plus, well, plus 10 dB over.
QSL, Tim, QSL. Thank you very much for the report. And good copy now. Good copy from your from 2 Echo Zero. Thanks for the call. All the very best from St. Petersburg. Enjoy the radio. Have a good weekend. Thank you.
Yeah, 73, and enjoy that beautiful city.